Morning guys and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to replace a wheel stud. So these are real easy to replace. See, I already got some of them out. Alright, so with our drum already off, you're going to need a hammer, and you just want to go up to the bad stud and you just want to knock it out. So you can see we got that one out. Now I'm going to go ahead and take another one out. Alright, so now we need to put our new studs in. So here is the replacement stud. So we're just going to slide that back in there. And what you're going to need, you want to get some kind of socket or a nut that'll fit over top of this. Then you're going to take a impact and your lug nut, and when you start tightening this up, it's going to pull it back in place. So what you want to look for when you do this is when you tighten this up, you're going to look on the back side of this. Wish I could show this, but this little lip right here, you're going to want it to be flat against it. So that's how you replace a wheel stud. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.